Hello to Miss and everyone. We are from group D7 are going to present about the assignment 3. So now let's start the video.
Good day to Miss and everyone. My name is Jenny CHEOK. Now I will start with my problem 1 which is national income model and explicit form. The endogenous variable which is Y star, C star and T star. Exogenous variables which is C noun, I noun, G noun and T nouns. Parameters which is B and T. Next, by using reduced form step 1, identify the endogenous variables which are Y star, C star and T star. Step 2, we substitute C equals C now plus BYT into Y, where YD equals Y minus T. Since T equals T now plus TY, then substitute it into the T. So we can get the Y equal C now plus BY minus BT now minus BTY plus I now plus G now. Then we move BY and minus BTY to left hand side. And we can take out Y as a common factor. Then we move the parenthesis 1 minus B plus BT to the right hand side. So the final answer will be Y star equal C now plus I now plus G now minus BT now over 1 minus B plus BT.
Assalamualaikum and having a good day to Miss and everyone. My name is MAIZATUL AKMA binti ROSDI. Okay, now we can continue with step 3, which is we need to substitute Y into T. As we know, T equal to T now plus TY. Then we can replace the value of Y that we got in step 2 into the formula T, and we will get T equal to T now plus T times C now minus BT now plus I now plus G now divided by 1 minus B plus BT. In order to get the same denominator, we time T now with 1 minus B plus BT. Then we will be able to get T equal to T now minus BT now plus BT T now plus TC now minus BT T now plus TI now plus TG now divided by 1 minus B plus BT. We can cut out BTT now. So the answer will be T star equal T now minus BT now plus TC now plus TI now plus TG now divided by 1 minus B plus BT.
Good day to Miss and everyone. I am VENNILA TAMILWARAN. Well, I will explain the step 4 which we substitute Y star and T star into C. We substitute the Y star and T star where we get from the step 2 and step 3 into here. Okay, the first step we write C equals to C null plus BYD. The YD we will convert it into Y minus T in the next step. Therefore, we will write it as C equals to C null plus B Y minus T. The next we will write C equals to C null plus B. The Y we will convert it into C null minus B T null plus I null plus G null over 1 minus B plus BT minus the T we will convert it into T null minus B T null plus TC null plus TI null plus TG null over 1 minus B plus BT. The next step is we will times 1 minus B plus BT with C null. As you all can see here, we can cancel out minus BT null and plus BT null. And again, as you all can see here, we can cancel out the two items which are minus BC null and plus BC null, plus BTC null and minus BTC null. After we cancel out them, in the conclusion, we will get C star equals to C null plus BI null plus BG null minus BT null minus BTI null minus BTG null over 1 minus B plus BT.
Then we move on to the changes of G now on Y star to able to get delta G, Y star over delta G now, we can apply quotient rule. The formula of quotient rule is VU prime minus UV prime over V square. U is C now plus I now plus G now minus BT now. U prime is 1. V is 1 minus B plus BT. V prime is 0. Then we substitute them into the formula. The final answer will be delta Y star over delta G now equal 1 over 1 minus B plus BT. This is more than 0, which means positive. Therefore, we can comment that if autonomous government expenditures increase, Y star also increase by 1 over 1 minus B plus BT and vice versa. Thank you.
Okay, now we want to know what will happen when changes in G now on C star. First, we know that C star equal to C now plus Pi now plus Bg now minus Pt now minus Pti now minus Ptg now divided by 1 minus B plus Pt. To get delta C star over delta G now, we need to apply quotient rule first. Formula for quotient rule is Vu prime minus Uv prime divided by V square. So for delta C star over delta G now, we get U equal to C now plus Pi now plus Pg now minus Pt now minus Bti now minus Ptg now. For U prime, we get B minus Pt. For V, we get 1 minus B plus Pt. For V prime, we got 0. After that, we can replace the information in the quotient rule. The answer for delta C star over delta G now will be equal to B minus Bt divided by 1 minus B plus Bt. We got the positive answer, so that means more than 0. Lastly, we can comment that as a government expenditure G now increase, C star also increase by B minus Bt divided by 1 minus B plus Bt and vice versa.
Without further ado, I will explain the changes on G null on T star. Okay, we will write T star equals to T null minus BT null plus TC null plus TI null plus TG null over 1 minus B plus BT. The next step, we are going to apply quotient rule, which is delta T star over delta G null equals to VU prime minus UV prime over V square. Okay, the U equals to T null minus BT null plus TC null plus TI null plus TG null. U prime equals to T, V equals to 1 minus B plus BT, and then V prime equals to 0. Then we will apply this into the formula. As you all can see here, we can cancel out the 1 minus B plus BT with 1 minus B plus BT square. And in the end, we will get delta T star over delta G null equals to T over 1 minus B plus BT, which is greater than 0. It means positive. So in a nutshell, we can conclude if autonomous government expenditure, which is G null, increase, T star also increase by T over 1 minus B plus BT and vice versa.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is NURINSYARMIMI binti Cik Syam. Today, I'm here to present about problem 3. Problem 3 uses ISLM model, parametric general implicit form. Endogenous are YI, exogenous are C null, M null, and non-parameters. Let's start with one Romans. Since I mentioned just now the question is implicit form, so we just write the implicit form in here. Let's move to second Roman. Since the question asks about change in M null, so by letting M null unequal to 0 and C null equal to 0, we do not have to write C null again. We will use two ways, which is first way, for F1, we will write delta F1 over delta Y star dy star plus delta F1 over delta I star di star equal to 0. For F2, we will write delta F2 over delta Y star dy star plus delta F2 over delta I star di star plus delta F2 over delta M null dm null equal to 0. For the second way, we just times them with d. So we will be able to get dy star minus cy star dy star minus ci star di star equal to 0 for F1. And for F2, we will get ly star dy star plus li star di star minus dm null equal to 0. So let's move to 3 Roman for step 1, which is rearrange endogenous equal to exogenous. Since y star and I star is endogenous variables, then we remain at the left hand side and we move the delta F2 over delta M null dm null to the right hand side, and it will be negative sign. And also same with the second way, we will move the negative dm null to the right hand side and it will be positive dm null.
Hello and a very good day to Miss and everyone. My name is Agnes. Okay, so now I want to continue with the step 2, which is transform into the Jacobian matrix Jx equal to b. We have two ways regarding to transform into Jacobian matrix. As we can see from the slide, as for the first way, we will have delta F1 over delta y star, delta F1 over delta I star, delta F2 over delta y star, and delta F2 over delta I star. And for the x here, we got dy star and also di star. While for the b here, we'll have 0 and also negative delta F2 over delta m null and times with dm null. Next, we can get the answers in the first or second Roman for the delta F1 over delta y star, and we will be able to get 1 minus cy star. And for the delta F1 over delta I star, we will get negative ci star. Next, for the delta F2 over delta y star, we will get ly star. And for the delta F2 over delta I star, we will get li star. And lastly, for the delta F2 over delta m null, we will get negative 1. After we have all the answers, we may plug them into the Jacobian matrix form. Furthermore, for the second way, it is just get from the step 1 before there and put into the Jacobian matrix form. And we will have the same answers with the first way. To conclude, we will have the same answers by using these two ways. Next, step 3 is to find the determinant J. Then we will have the determinant J equal to Li star in parentheses 1 minus Cy star plus Ci star Ly star. And from the restrictions there, we know that Li star is less than 0, which means negative. Cy star is in between 0 and 1, which means positive. Ci star is less than 0, which means negative. And Ly star is more than 0, which means positive. Therefore, we will have negative times with positive plus negative times with positive, and we'll be able to get negative plus negative, and lastly the determinant J will be negative, which is not equal to 0 and non-singular. As for the Roman 4, which is determine the effect of changes in m null on y star and I star. Changes in m null, which means dm null. We want to know the effect of changes in m null to the y star and I star. Thus, we will have the dy star over dm null and di star over dm null and dm null over dm null. In order to get the dy star over dm null, we can apply the Cramer's rule, which is determinant J1 over determinant J. As for the final answer, we will get the determinant J1, which is Ci star over determinant J. We know that Ci star is negative from the restriction there. So negative over negative, we will get the positive, which is more than 0. So we can comment that as the money supply m null increase, the income y star will increase by Ci star over Li star in parentheses 1 minus Cy star plus Ci star Ly star, which is positive effect, and vice versa. While for the di star over dm null, we can also apply determinant J2 over determinant J. As for the final answer, we will be able to get the determinant J2, which is 1 minus Cy star over determinant J. We know that 1 minus Cy star is positive from the restriction. So positive over negative, we will get the negative, which is less than 0. Hence, we can comment that as the money supply m null increase, the interest rate I star will decrease by 1 minus Cy star over Li star in parentheses 1 minus Cy star plus Ci star Ly star, which is negative effect, and vice versa. Okay, that's all from me. We hope that you will be enjoying our video, and thank you for watching. Until next time.